I want his head! No! I want his head!
They know we go crazy as God bless the babies. Know we go crazy as God bless the babies. Shout out to them haters, don't want us to make it. One time for the real ones that know we gon' make it. Always get trophies when we in your city. 1, 2, 3, baby, time to get litty. Straight out the league, can't compete with whoever. Think you doing something.
Lips ashy, bro. Another day.
To the left of the line, to the left of the line. Next group to the right, ready, go. Good.
Y'all know who it
Next
is,
group
man.
to the left, ready, go. There we go.
It's real cold for this, bro. It's freezing out there. Still finna whoop with ass in one-on-ones. Still finna whoop painting ass in one-on-ones.
We on it today. We on it. Attitudinal problem. Let's go! Let's go!
Who's talking about? Out of here. Get that slow ass right out of here. 5-star my ass. Both of y'all.
No, I want his head! No! I want his head! Oh my God, big boy! You can't be physical and think somebody else is pushing off. Come on.
Back, bro, my time. Run it back.
Man, I'm just trying to run it back. That's a fatality. That's a fatality. That's a fatality.
I want one-on-ones against that big sorry over there. You come play tight end in your real position, and I'm gonna line up at safety, and I'm gonna max your ass out.
Whoa. Ooh. Dude, that's their daddies right there. Both of y'all daddies right there. Let Diddy go. Run it back. Watch your hands. Run it back, run it back, run it back. That's good route.
Box his ass up. Let's box his ass up now.
You ain't no bullying no bullies out here.
That ain't work.
You ain't gonna bully no bullies out here. Here we go, water! The standard is what the standard is, fellas, and that's from coaches, that's from players, that's from personnel, that's from all the way from top to bottom and bottom up. Today we have some flashes, but at the end of the day, we supposed to stay consistent with our level of play. My faults and my bads does what for me? Nothing, nothing. So stay locked in throughout the whole damn day. We got guys every single day constantly hitting us up saying, hey man, I want to be a part of this. Hey man, I want to play with C1N. Hey man, how do I get signed up? It ain't for everybody, fellas. It ain't for everybody. All right, you can't bully, not out here. Not out here. And anybody who think that they good enough, you're not good enough to just catch it one-handed and on somebody, not out here. And if you do, shit, we need to get somebody else that ain't gonna allow you to do that. It's simple. It's simple. The standard is what the standard is. You don't have to do nothing special to be what? Special. Man, fellas, lock in, focus every single time you come out here and be ready to compete, but also know your damn job.
y'all niggas somebody gonna be cold? It ain't cold. Why they lying like that? Hey, look. We can't split the poles. Walk first. We can't split the poles. Alright, back on me. Bro, that bus route was wrong as bro. I got them knees hurt.
C1N takeover. My name KJ. We in Tampa for the C1N takeover. My name KJ.
My name Demonte.
My name is Zach.
You say my name, I'm
We
black.
playing for C1N Platinum. We play for C1N Platinum. Tampa takeover.
I'm gonna say we play for C1N Platinum. You gonna say your name?
You ain't gonna say your name.
I thought y'all was gonna do it.
Say your name.
Say your name.
Alright, come on. My name KJ.
I'm Demonte. I'm Zach. And we play with C1N Platinum.
Tampa, we here.
Tampa takeover.
Takeover.
Yeah.
It feels good to represent C1N because if you ain't C1N, then you ain't really nothing to us. You feel me? C1N is the best team around right now.
Talking crazy.
Hey, it's a new over here, man. You know, we gotta teach these new dudes how we rock and roll, man. One, two, three. Lock in, fellas. I'm telling you, the word of the day is this. I cannot tell you how to have a good day, but I can promise you I can tell you how to have a bad one. Everybody's wet. Everybody's cold. You ain't got to do nothing special to be what? Just do your job. You ain't got to do nothing special to be what? If you don't hear you say whoa. You don't hear you say whoa. Can it be that? Can it be that? Can it be that? Will they be? Hell no. Offsides, drop passes, fucking missed assignments on defense, just not playing cohesion of football. We started flat, and that's what the shit we get. That's the shit that we get. I mean, at the end of the day, ain't no need to be mad. I mean, it is what it is, bro. All right, here we go. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. C1N on three, C1N on me, 1, 2, 3. C1N.
I'm getting it. They doing right?
He ain't gonna do it.
They doing right? On my day. Hey.
I need my 20. No cap.
I need my 20.
That cheese bread at though.
I find that cheese bread.
Got some wings, got some pizza. Something.
You want to?
Appreciate it.
Time to grab up.
I'm not playing.
I went. It was basically like a visit when I went down there. Them niggas shit.
Right, dude.
Do this shit. Stop playing. He do this shit. He do this shit. He do this
He passed sick right here, too.
Hey, throw it to me, son.
man, he don't score this play. He gotta score this play. 20 push-ups.
Come here, bud. Hey.
This is the turning point. Is this the spot where those points are given away? It could cost them a ball game.
You better click on.
He said you better click on. Still a few inches short of a first down as they come up now on second down.
You bet. You said better than 5. Bet.
You just shake hands.
I bet it. Bet the other 5. Bet it. Bet $2. $2. Bro, you is I take that with 5.
Hold on, last time, y'all just put it in there when I threw an interception account. Y'all ain't even put it when I was scoring and jump like that. I ain't like that.
Come on, take. Pick! Let's go! Even to win the game when you're done. Let's go! Even to win the game when you're done. Let's go! You doing dumb shit. Let's go and run the game home.
They know we go crazy as God bless the babies. Know we go crazy as God bless the baby. Shout out to them haters, don't want us to make it. One time for the real ones that know we gon' make it. Always get trophies when we in your city. 1, 2, 3, baby, time to get litty. Straight off the leash, can't compete with who win. Think you doing somebody, baby, they score, they don't win. No, we getting it in. Ain't no doing it small. Gotta go do it big. They don't score, they don't win. No, we getting it in. Ain't no doing it small. Gotta go do it big. Let me hear you say who. Bet we do what it do. Ain't no making no moves when you walk against the crew. Let me hear you say who. Bet we do what it do. Ain't no making no moves when you walk against the crew.